Well, hello, and welcome back to another show with the Crafty Hook. Again, my name is Nona, and I'm so glad to see you all here today. So, today we're going to do another crochet tutorial with a different stitch. This one today will be called the Staggered Double Crochet. I'm going to go step by step and kind of show you how to be able to create this stitch. So I hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give us those thumbs up. That helps me out on my channel. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to see some of the tutorials on how to crochet and different crochet stitches, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'd be glad to have you follow me along. So let's get started. Okay, so to perform this stitch, we're going to start our base chain and do our slip knot. Okay, now on your chain for this stitch, it says it's done in multiples of 6 stitches plus 2 for foundation chain. So if you follow me along, I'll kind of guide you through. So 6 stitches first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then plus 2 more. 1, 2. Now I'm going to double mine, so I'm going to stop at the 2 there, because the plus 2 foundation chain you don't need to put on until you're at the end. So do another 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the plus 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do 2 more for my foundation chain. So you should have 16 stitches on your chain. Now you can make this longer, and the way that you would do that is the 6 stitches plus 2. Do not add the plus 2 for foundation till the end of the chain. Okay, the next step, you're going to do 1 double crochet and 4th chain from hook. Now remember, do not count the loop on your hook. You're going to count the next one as your first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do a double crochet right into that one. So wrap your yarn, pull it through. You got your 3 loops. Wrap your yarn, pull through 2. Wrap your yarn, pull through 2. There's your first double crochet. Then you're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains. So 2 more double crochets. So here's 1. And then wrap my yarn, go into the next one. For my next one, got 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip the next 3 chains. So there's 1, 2, 3. You're going to that 4th chain and do another double. So into that chain, pull your yarn through. You got your 3 loops. Grab that yarn, pull through 2, and pull through 2. There's the next start of your blocks. Then you're going to do 1 double crochet in the 3 chains. So we already did the first one, so we need to do 2 more. So wrap your yarn, go into the next stitch, wrap your yarn, pull through 2, wrap your yarn, pull through 2. That's 2 double crochets. So 1 more. Then you got your next block of your double crochets. Now you're going to repeat that stitch. So again, we're going to start that again. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Do a double crochet into the 4th one. And then 2 more double crochets, 1 in each of the last 2 stitches. And there is your first row of the staggered blocked double crochet. So the next row, you're going to turn your project. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. This counts as a first double crochet on that row for the 3 stitches we did. you're going to do 3 double crochets in the next chain space. So you're going to wrap your yarn, you're going to go into the chain space. Now you're not going to go into a stitch on this row, you're going to go right into that space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. There's 1. Same thing, back in the space. 2 and 3. Then you're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to do 3 double crochets in the next chain space. So 1, 'Back in the chain space, there's 2, and then 3. Okay, so we did another bunch. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to do 1 double crochet into the last stitch of that row. So you're going to go into the last stitch and do that last double crochet. Then you're going to turn your project and we're going to go and repeat that same row. So you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to do 3 double crochets into the chain space. Okay, so here we go with 1, 2, and 3. It's almost like doing a granny square. Okay, so there's our 3 in that first one. Then you're going to chain 3 again. And then you're going to go into the next space and do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then you're going to chain 3 more again, because we're just repeating that pattern. And then you're going to do your last double crochet and the last stitch. So as you can see, it's just a repeat on each row and comes out with a pretty cool looking pattern. Okay, so that is what is called a staggered double crochet, or I call it the block double crochet. So that's just a pretty another simple pattern that you can use as well to practice your double crochets. So if you just keep kind of going along with this pattern, the chain 3, 3 double crochets in each of the loop, and then 1 at the end of the row, however long you make it, it will come out exactly like this. I'll show you another example here. I create swatches for all of my stitches that I learned so that I can kind of follow the steps to create it myself here. So I don't forget what I did before. I have a bad habit of doing that. So this here is kind of the swatch that I had created. And what I did is I put a border around when I'm done as well. And we'll get into that tutorial also on another video. But this is kind of similar as I had showed on the tutorial. So here's the one I made previously with the red, and then this is the one that we use today. So it's kind of a neat, quick, simple project. Tell you all, there's another stitch to go ahead and practice with. I appreciate all of you for stopping by and watching the video today. If you liked the video, again, please give me those thumbs up. Hit that like button. That helps me out of my channel. If you're new and you'd like to learn some new stitches, again, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell because that will notify you when a new video comes out. So thank you all again for watching, and we will catch you on the next video. You have a wonderful day.